How you doing? This is Rick. I decided to post my first video, help some people out. This replacing the, well, actually converting a gas dryer to LP. I got a new dryer here, and it is a Frigidaire Affinity deal. You used to be able to just take the back off the dryers, but not anymore. The gas valve is in the front of the dryer down below here. But what I did was pop the back off anyway. It's about 20 screws in the back around the perimeter. Zip them all off. It's one of those Torx head drivers. And there's 2 screws in the back, the top, to get the top off. And that slides right off into the back. Then there's 2 screws up front here, one on each side. And this pops out of the sockets, and you just unplug those 3 plugs right here. Bing, bang, boom, and that pops off. Weighs about 3 ounces. Stuff is so cheap, it's crazy. And then the front pops off. There's 2 screws at the top, one here, one over here, and 2 at the bottom. Actually, take the bottom ones first, so it'll hang and not fall and cut your hand off. But after you pop those 4 screws out, take the 2 out that are in the middle of the drum here by the lint screen. Open the door and take those 2 out. And then there's 2 grommets, one on either side here, so when you get all the screws out of the front, all 6 of them, you can pop it right off. Open the door, it'll make it a little easier. Then the whole front will just pop right off, and put that aside. And so I get the top off, the back off, and you're ready to access the gas valve now. It's right here in front. So there's 2 screws at the base of it, as you see right there. I already worked on getting one of them out. I just got a little stubby screwdriver with that same Torx bit. There's also, I forgot to mention, a little screw that holds the gas pipe on the bottom of the base there. That's got to come off too before you take the gas valve off. Okay, if I can get in here tight, you can see with the light. There's 1 screw that holds the burner assembly into the tube, right in there. Take both plugs apart, 2 plastic plugs there, and 2 screws from the base. And this puppy should slide right out. With a little coercion. Be careful, because there's a fragile igniter made of soapstone right there. See it? Be very careful, because that'll crack and your dryer will be useless. So what I'm going to do is replace that burner tube and the orifice inside that came with the kit. We'll go from there. So as you can see, the orifice is inside there. This little shroud is part of the kit. There's 2 screws there, and this thing pops right off. You put the new shroud on and the new orifice, thread this puppy back together, and reverse all your steps to put everything back together. Put your sticker on the dryer somewhere to show that it's been converted to LP, so in the future there'll be no guesswork. And that's it. Enjoy.